Hi, boys and girls. Miss Frank here to do your daily calendar review. That was a little silly. Alrighty. So I see that I have had two sends. So an AA, and in my core I have AA. So what am I getting ready to click? A, B. Yeah, which is a flower today. All right. So let's talk about it. Today is Friday, and that's exciting. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. Let's say that together. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. Excellent. Alrighty. So we are going to get ready to talk about what yesterday was. So what comes before Friday? Thursday. And what's tomorrow going to be? Saturday. Ooh. Things are getting funky on a Friday. All right. And if today is the 15th, what's the date before? The 14th. Yes. And if today is the 15th, what is the day after? The 16th. Yes. All right. I'm ready to move on to my spiral review. Oh. I want you to draw two circles and then give each the same amount. There's 6 in here. Okay. So using 6. Divide them into fair shares. Doing my waiting dance. All right, you ready to divide them? All right, so when I divide things into fair shares, I like to go 1, 1. So I know that they're equal. All right, let's keep going. 2, 2. Then 3 and 3. Just like I'm dealing cards. Have you ever dealt cards before? Yeah, so I deal them out that way so I know that everybody has an equal amount. So a fair share of 6 would be 3 and 3. All right, next question. Get that sentence down from my part whole map. You got this. You know all those answers because you so smart. All right. How many in the first part? 3. And how many in the second part? 1. 3 and 1 is, you said it, 4. Excellent. All right. This is the trickiest one yet, and I gave it to you on Friday because you knew your brain would be working so hard today. What is 1 more than 87? If you don't know it, just take a guess. Or just hang out for a sec. All right. After 87 comes 88. So I can go 87, 88. All right. So I use my tens place. That stays the same. 80. And then 1 more than 7 is 8. So 88 is 1 more. Tricky turkey, huh? I'm really proud of whoever got that way to go. All right. Last one. Whoa, that's a lot of Band-Aids. Go ahead and count all those Band-Aids today. And if you finish, count them a second time to make sure we didn't make any mistakes. Miss Frank might do that today too, because that's a lot of things to make sure we get Alrighty, we ready? Let's go ahead. Let's start with red. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, let's count again because it is always good to double check when you're counting a big group of things because you might have made a mistake and we want to check. So the first time I got 30, I'm going to change my color back to red and then we'll check and make sure we got 30 again. 3 and a 0 makes 30. I'm going to change my color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ooh, I got 30 both times. I see that all of them have a blue and a red dot except for this one that I went over the red dot with. Oops. And so I know that I have counted all of my Band-Aids. Okay? So boys and girls, I hope that you have a lovely day, rest of your day. Thanks for sticking with me for such big numbers today. And I love you and I miss you and I'm so, so proud of you. Bye-bye.